guys. Hi guys. Today we are playing Roblox Rivals.
But we don't get to pick our loadout.
Yeah, it's random.
We are actually finished. Let's suffer.
Okay, the rules are each round random weapons only.
No switching. No crying.
You're definitely crying.
Oh yeah, we'll see about that. Round number 1. Starting.
Random loadout.
Random arena. Why did I say
Okay, we
that?
have to choose the random map also. But we'll not just play against each other. We'll also team in 2v2s.
Random.
Alright, what did I get?
Random, and random.
Yo, I actually got a pretty sick loadout.
Okay, bro, I got the worst combo.
Wait, this is.
Bro, this map
actually
is
good.
trash. This map is trash.
Wait, this is actually.
Should I tell you my loadout? Ah! Bro, did you choose? No, I fell.
I got the energy rifle. What the hell, where are you?
I am somewhere in the universe.
Bro, it just got weirdly.
No, you're spammer.
Yeah, just got to. The voice is so cool. Why do you keep on falling and everything?
I don't know. Where are you? I again fell.
You lost.
No, I did not.
Oh yeah. I lost count. Yeah.
I did not hit you one shot.
Yeah, I was 150.
Again, we have to switch.
Oh, okay. Every single round we have to.
Random. Okay,
Bro,
no, bye.
okay. Yeah, this game loves me. My loadout is really good.
And I guess this game hates me.
Wait, but why does my gun shoot like that? Oh, I see. I got
Bro.
this again. And this. Oh,
Bro, where are you?
behind you. Yeah.
Okay, I hate this game.
This.
This is not beginner friendly. Bro, you did not switch.
I told you that you were gonna cry. Oh wait, I
Bro,
forgot
you are-
to switch.
No. Then you have to jump this round. That's cheating. Cause I switched. Jump off the map. Or let me kill you. I'll get some damage.
I just jumped off.
Thank you. Now
Okay,
switch weapons or you have to
Okay,
jump off
switch,
again.
switch.
Why do I have the worst loadout, bro?
Oh my god. This is actually
Okay,
so
tell me your loadout. What did you got?
I got flamethrower, revolver, trowel, and subspace trigger. Took mine. Okay, I'll just use this. Bro, why are you hiding? You shouldn't be hiding.
I'm not hiding. I was behind.
Fall off the map. Fall off the map. Yeah, that was easy.
Bro, you're. Okay.
This is
switch
so
weapons.
easy. Yeah.
Grenade launcher, finally.
Bro, whenever you get good. Oh no, this is pretty good. Yeah.
Bouncy.
Yeah.
Impact.
Come here.
Hui!
Oh wait, I can't aim with. Oh wait, I. Oh, there you are. Ah! What the hell? What is this?
Bro, how did are you getting so many good stuff? Let's
Ah,
go.
You just
Finally.
killed me by spamming grenade launcher.
Yeah, so you were
Okay,
spamming flamethrower.
switch.
Oh yeah, switch. Flamethrower, let's go. I got the flamethrower.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got it. Good. Ah! What the, you just got burned by the fire.
Bro, wait, what am I doing?
Yeah.
Bro.
Bro is fighting for his life.
Okay, I got scammed. Wait, I again got flamethrower. Not
Why do I
bad.
keep on getting the same thing? Does the energy rifle love me or something? Why do you keep on getting in fire? You're putting me on fire too. Nah.
Let's go.
How did you kill me with a serious hand?
Let's go. Switch weapons. I got. Okay,
Excuses already. Crazy.
Where are
Can
you?
you load out? Please be good. Wait, no. This is even worse.
Me.
I think
That's
the
how-
game. I think the game hates me.
No,
I
first
mean,
we
it
said
loves
that
me first, but now it hates me. Like, what did I do?
you maybe tortured him.
Ah,
Can you stop?
yeah.
Why am I using this?
Okay, I won. It's time for us to do
2v2.
2v2s.
Okay.
Join the public server. Yeah, join me.
Sure.
Join me.
No, you join me.
I'm sure.
Okay.
2v2s. Adapt, overcome, and survive.
Okay, let's see if we can do any of one of them also.
Yeah, we
Bro, mine is not loading. It did! Should I use my 6-7 power to defeat you?
That was so cringe. That's too cringe.
Okay.
In 2v2.
No, invite me in your party and then we can search. It would be better.
I'll invite you in my party.
Except now search for
Let's play
2v2.
2v2s.
After this, we'll play 2v2s. Rank. But with random loadout.
Yes. This will tell us if we're actually good or we're just good at some weapons and we just use them all the time.
Teleporting. Okay, now don't lag again. Okay, thank God. 11, 10, 9, 8, 6, 7. Okay, I want you 6, 7. Random.
Okay, random.
Okay, if crossroad.
Wait, we're actually just going to go against guys who are
Random, it's chess.
Oh, we got chess.
Random. I got RPG, I got Uzi, I got Maul, and I also got the satchel.
I got a shotgun, dagger, scythe, and satchel.
Hey, even you got satchel. I will be a RPG spammer, though I hate them. Wait, did you? I got one.
Oh wait, the RPG is kind of good.
Yeah, I know, right? No, I'm
No,
dying.
don't fall off the map.
I killed it.
Oh wait, that was actually pretty safe.
I only had 14 health, guys.
I literally
Switch
missed
weapons.
anything.
I got a burst rifle.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Guys, do you understand the logic of rivals? Because when you shoot in real life, people die with one bullet. How do you survive like a million bullets?
I do not know.
Tell me in the comments.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't even aiming at that guy.
Wait. Let me see the
We're
leaderboard.
so good.
Bro, you have 60 more damage than me.
Yeah.
And I forgot to switch.
Yeah, me too. But it's kind of good. Just slow down.
I'm
Why are you
spamming.
missing everything?
I don't know.
He fell off the map. She's in mid here. Wait,
Let's
can I
go.
jump on? Oh wait, no.
Okay, switch weapons now. Assault. Okay, I got the knife.
Why do you keep on getting assault? What's wrong with this?
I like assault.
Yeah, it's good. But
It
bad.
spams very nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah, she fell down again. Ah!
Oh, this guy's using crossbow.
I know. I saw that.
Okay. Last round, whoever wins is officially better.
In 2v2s.
Yeah. Yeah, the one who has the most damage and who gave the most damage will.
Ah! Where am I getting crossbow from? I died.
Oh, you died. Okay. Oh no, it's all on me. Where's the
Can we
guy?
5 them? Can you stop missing? Can you just scope and not trying to aura farm by no scope?
Bro, he was at 21 health.
Yeah, I know. I'm switching
Nah,
my
you
weapon.
finished.
I got energy pistols.
That's so good. But I got the same loadout. Wait, I didn't even switch.
Like, I'll be a spammer, guys.
Oh my god, they're so spamming. Oh my god.
I finished him. My energy pistols are the OP.
Let's go! We're random pros.
Okay.
They literally lost to that loadout.
I know, right?
Okay.
Let's do one more. But 2v2 ranked.
Okay, we are going to do one last 2v2 rank. Let's see if we actually win or not. Or should we do 1v1?
We can't do 1v1.
Oh, yeah. 2v2 rank. Okay. This will decide who wins.
Our team or their team?
Guys, tell in the comment section whose team are you in. My team.
Or somebody else's team.
Yeah. Okay, this is.
We can't do random, so I'll
Loser
just...
has to do a dare. Yeah.
Bro, we can't lose in this. Because we are in a team.
No.
If we lost in this round,
No. And when we were doing the first 1v1s, the person who lost has to do dares.
no, I am not.
Yeah. So that means you're gonna do a dare. You have to sing. You have to sing twink. If you have to sing any baby rhyme.
Johnny.
No, not right now. In the end of the video. In the end of the video.
We have to do random, you know now. We have to take random.
I know. Oh wait. Oh shit.
You talk by yourself.
I took the RPG by myself. Well, the one thing I don't like about RPGs is they shoot really slow.
Anyway,
Oh my
somebody flashbanged me. Even you got flash.
Yeah, I was jumping in the air and I don't know how I even got flashbang. Hi.
Oh my guys.
So that person is using an energy rifle. Oh yeah, be careful.
Yeah, you
What
killed
the hell
him.
is wrong with this guy? He's spamming energy rifles. They may do something. Bro, why are you not even? What the hell is wrong with you?
I got him with my shotgun.
When you were on 15 health.
Oh yeah, so.
Okay, change. Oh wait, we can't switch because there's only 2 switches.
Wait, I got energy rifle though.
Well, I
We have to
saw
switch
that.
as much as we can, but.
Well, we only have 1 switch left.
Did he flashbang himself, bro?
Yeah, I can see
Wait,
that.
he's coming from downwards.
I know, I can see that. I'm just gonna use my shotgun. Oh my god, both of them are here.
I got both.
Alright, you had energy rifle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now we have to
Okay, this
switch.
is our last switch. 'Cause
Okay, I got the worst.
I got assault, handgun, sight, and
I got assault
wait, I also
spray.
got horn.
Bro, why we don't even need to.
What?
I got flashbang.
Oh my god, where are these flashbangs coming for? And they're not even damaging us. What the heck?
Flashbangs are not made for damaging even, bro.
No, but when we have flashbangs, they can damage us now.
Yeah, so.
What are they even doing? They're just hiding in there. I'm gonna kill this guy you killed.
I got one. I stole your kill though.
I killed.
I got an assist.
I killed that person. Why is he flying in the air? That must be my finisher.
Ew. Not gonna lie, I would like to make them fly.
Okay,
That
so
rhymes.
that means we
I sang a baby
that
rhyme.
means we are stuck with this loadout because there's no switches remaining.
Yeah, and it is the worst of them.
Yeah, if they would have the game would have been some other loadout, I would have been happy. Okay, I killed the other guy.
I killed the other one. Look, he's flying. Dun, 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 dun. Wait,
Okay. Oh my god, we actually have to defeat them 5-0
in a ranked 1v1.
and random weapon. Like, on.
Bro, it just means they're trapped.
Do they keep on getting same spawn points? No, one guy has silver rank.
No, that's unranked.
Oh, that's silver.
No, silver is not that. Now bro's spamming me with his energy crystals, but bro died.
Oh wait, disco, let's party. Dun, dun.
No, but the other guy did not die right
The
now.
other guy is
Hiding. Jinx.
What is-
We jinxed the jinx.
Wait, he must be coming from now. I'm gonna go here and you go there.
Okay. I don't know why am I shooting.
Okay, see, can you? He must be some in a underground.
Wait, let me check this area.
Oh my god! Wait,
You found him?
no, I thought the shadow of the ball was the him.
Bro, you're dumb for that.
Did you just call me dumb?
You are dumb. That guy left.
Oh, wait.
No, the guy we beat him up. Bro, he's hiding. I swear if we lose.
No, we cannot lose. One guy is dead now. We're gonna win. Okay,
Let's go.
yay!
Where was
that
he?
guy? Oh, why? He was copying me.
You copying
Okay,
me.
I was the official winner, so that means you have to do a dare.
Okay, I have to sing a rhyme. I remember.
Yeah, you have to sing a baby rhyme.
Johnny, eat Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling lies, no Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
Okay, no. Okay, guys. If you enjoyed watching us struggle or win,
Like and subscribe before we lose our sanity.
and comment what challenge we should do next. Bye. Okay, that was actually good.
I did not.